People usually meet the problem that when they cut ingredients, it is easy to hurt their fingers, and also it is hard for the rookies to hold the rounded shaped food like carrots or cucumbers. So we are looking for the way to solve that problem.
I got this idea from the people's daily experience in cooking. And the cutting mat is a tool to keep ingredients steady and also to protect your fingers at the same time. And in the process of the design, we fixed the problems exist in the original design to improve this function.
For our final designs, we use the PLA machines instead of the ABS machines. That gives the model the ability to bend and pick things up instead of being brittle.